Okay, now we are taking a bit of a walk on the Van Buren nature trails. So it was crazy buggy over at the house, like tons of bugs everywhere. So I'm not really sure how long we're gonna actually do this. Me and my girls are not bug people. I don't really like those bugs, but we'll take a walk for a little bit. Hopefully it won't be too bad, and we'll have just a nice walk in the shade, because it's crazy hot too. Crazy hot.
So we're down here. Thank you. We're down here, and I think we're going to come along the outer loop trail. Maybe hit the red trail, maybe the blue trail where it crosses over, and come on back.
Let's do it, folks.
Let's go to the blue trail. I'm going to the blue trail. Which one is that? Are we going to go that way or that way? This way.
This way. Oh, the house is back where we were. Now we're headed toward the yellow trail. Hopefully we'll see some signs for the red one.
Now this tree might actually have been around since Martin Van Buren. That's a big tree.
It is a big tree.
I was just remarking that most of the trees on Van Buren's property probably were not planted until well after he died, because they're not 150 years old, that's for sure.
Oh, look at this cute little trail. It's cute.
Why is it so cute?
Maybe looking at the ground, maybe you'll see some animal tracks. Yeah, so like this one actually goes to the red one, if we want to do that instead.
Yeah, we want to do that instead. No, we're going to the blue one. White trail. Oh, white trail that way, and that way.
The trail has gotten very narrow.
Bridge.
And a little bridge. Aw, it's cute.
Too.
It's a cute little bridge.
So tiny. It's so cute too. How long is it though?
Yeah, this is a long bridge
I know.
here in the woods.
It's the never-ending bridge. Yeah, it is. Well, it is a never-ending bridge. Right? Right, Mama?
Something's rotting nearby.
Ew. It is very, very brushy
It's very, very smelly.
and very, very smelly.
Look.
There's lots of, it's definitely not cut back, like, at all.
I know.
Probably due to the fact that we have this nice little wooden path to walk on, but thankfully it's here, as otherwise we would just be walking through the grass.
Really, really smelly. Okay, this is a thorny place that I It's ended. Right here it's ended.
Yep, it's ended.
I brought this.
We got a tree that fell right here. We have some experience with fallen trees.
Blackberries.
Blackberries! Oh, that's a delicious one.
Oh, like the good ones too over here.
Yeah, see? They're all dried up there now, but oh, here's one.
More over here, guys. Should we take them?
We probably shouldn't.
As they might be like,
Blackberries on the trail.
and even red
That's
berries.
fun and exciting.
Red berries.
More blackberries. On the path. Oh yeah, a little tunnel. That's so cute. Apparently that's my word of the day, everyone. Cute.
Whoa, it's a long tunnel.
for how brushy and kind of not overgrown, but like look at this tiny trail, and we've got everything kind of growing out into us. It is surprisingly, I shouldn't even say it, but there's not an overabundance of bugs at this moment in time. So I'm gonna regret having said that. Ooh, I'm gonna get stuck on some thorn bushes, which is exciting. But this is quite interesting and fun. I don't know if the kids like it, but I know up to our knees Dad does, and I do. So that's what really matters.
I hear you talking about me out back there.
I was just saying that you like this trail.
I really want.
Yeah, I'll see when the final cut comes out.
I really want.
I wasn't lying.
Are we lost?
No, honey, we're not lost. It is quite.
Ooh, a little bridge. There might be water on this.
Maybe.
Oh, no water. Are we only playing?
A little tiny bridge.
There's holes in it.
Might have some water that runs under there. In the rainy season.
Cool.
It's cool in here. I knew I was going to get it. Come on now, Mom, come on.
And another wooden path to walk on. Much more clean over here. Not quite so overgrown.
I don't know how long it is, but I feel like
Oh, girly, come here. Look at this. Let me see the. Remember I said to look down? You could see some tracks. There's a lot of tracks there. What do you think they are?
coyote.
They might be. They're not deer because they don't have that V shape. They definitely have claws on them. Crazy. Some of those are pretty big. Oh, look at this. It's like a magical hollow.
This is Blue Trail that way.
It's like a band tree.
We're just gonna look for a second. Oh, look at it. It is like a little secret garden without the garden.
Or the secret anymore.
Let's go
The
check
secret.
it out.
Is that a fire pit?
Just a nice, huge open space right here. Oh, and there's more trails coming off of it.
Wow. Everybody go look around and see if you can find any fairies. Magical fairies.
What do you mean magical fairies?
Because this is the kind of a place, if I were a magical fairy, I'd want to live.
What about in those bushes?
Thanks, Eagle Scouts.
Yeah.
And Project Manager Dylan Schneider. All right.
Cool.
I think we can go back
there's
this way.
I just want to look at this over here. There's like a tree, but it looks like a little portal. Oh, there's an outhouse this way.
Not surprised that it broke with the amount of your.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, it's right here. Outhouse.
Huh.
There's a tree.
I don't know it's supposed
fell.
to be a
No,
portal.
it's not. It just fell. But look, there's an outhouse. I'm definitely not touching anything around that at all.
My luck, I dropped my phone.
Ew. Oh,
Hey, look, there's something that lives underneath it too.
Ew.
Lucky them.
Looks like, can you open it? It looks like you can open the door. I'll let somebody else touch it.
Oh, it's
Oh.
buggy, and there's a can of saltines in there. and- I got you. Look at that.
Saltines.
And I really did mean a can. Like I thought that's a tin right there.
Snack while you care of business. I think we wound up doing part of the white trail and part of the red trail.
And the blue trail.
And that space with the fire pit, I'm pretty sure it was like part of the blue trail or a connector to get to more of the blue trail. So a lot of the trails are intertwined, but it was really cool and really fun. Especially those, you know, planks to walk on, keep your feet out of the mud. It was a really nice touch. And it was just cool to kind of walk through and see all of that. So we are going to see what else we can find to do today.